They're blinking.
No, they're not.
They're blinking. Wait.
What is going on?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited, you guys. I am doing TikTok life hacks. First of all, I want to say that I was inspired by Makeup by Peta. She has been doing these videos and I am obsessed. I have a TikTok. I don't really use it, but I'm like obsessed with watching TikTok videos. And today, honey, we are doing life hacks. I'm excited for the food hacks, not gonna lie, because this girl is thick, period. But I'm gonna do a mix of food hacks, life hacks, and we'll see how this video turns out. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up because we love hacks, period. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first hack I have for you guys is McDonald's.
McDonald's hack check. Grab a 10-piece nugget. There's a little opening right here in between the little nugget box. Place it over your drink. Add some fries and then you got your little cocoon or whatever.
I actually just stopped by right now. So what you are going to need is some fries. It could be actually any size, right? What the heck? Why do I feel like this was like messed with? Look how my freaking thing came out. So what you're gonna do is put your chicken nuggets back. Why am I nervous? I'm like, I better do this right. But you wanna put the little tray right on top of the drink and the straw is gonna be right in the middle. I think I should have put the fries before, guys, but I don't know why they gave me a literally ribbed box, but you're gonna wanna pour in your fries in here. I am gonna do just a little bit because it is ripped, but you guys, this is a whole ass hack right here. So what I actually always do, I'll put my fries and then also my little ranch, barbecue, whatever I'm gonna be eating this with, and I put it in here too. But right now I'm not gonna do that because this thing is literally ripped. But look at this. That's a whole ass hack, honey. Oh my god, this is so cool. Let's see. This is crazy. This is so cool. My orders for McDonald's is always like a McDouble or chicken nuggets. So I'm definitely gonna do this from now on when I do the chicken nuggets. Wow. I will say, the only thing about that is like when you're trying to reach for the straw, you'd probably have to have a really full cup for it to work, because I can't imagine me putting the straw all the way in and trying to like suck on it.
Or a smaller cup.
Or a smaller cup, but this definitely works. Oh my god. Wow. We're gonna move on to our next hack. Now this one, I don't know if I would do because it's just like more time consuming. Let's see if it's really worth it. So you're gonna bend it back. And you kind of see how this is gonna be like folded. So what you're gonna do with this little area is put your ketchup. We love a little hack. Girl. And you're gonna put your ketchup right on top. And there you have it. Let's see, let's try it. Wow, okay. That actually works. I feel like you probably don't want to overflow it as much. Maybe like just one pack, you'll be good. But that is really smart. Oh my god. This hack actually did work. Wow. Oh, that smells good.
Can I do your large very berry hibiscus? And then can I do 3 cups of ice? On the very berry, can I do no ice on that?
A very hibiscus. You can get anything of your choice, large, no ice, and ask for 3 just cups of ice.
Small.
Girl, this was only $4.45. So if I'm able to fill up these 3 drinks, I basically only paid $4.45. I am so glad my husband's helping y'all. Like, I would have literally spilled this. I'm not gonna take the lid off yet because, girl.
No, if anything, I'll help you pour it.
Oh, definitely. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I am shocked. And now I have my berries. Oh my Lanta. It took a whole cup to fill up 3. It worked. That is so crazy. You guys don't understand. This is so smart. If you have friends over or just like your kids, your siblings, this is actually a really smart way of saving money. Yeah, girl, I don't know about you, but I'm gonna tell all my siblings next time, like, I don't care if y'all want different kinds of drinks. We're getting the same thing, period. Now I have 3 drinks that I only paid $4.45 for. Make sure you guys do not forget to ask with no ice. I feel like this is kind of an obvious thing, like, you know, you're gonna ask with it for no ice, so fill it up. But these are things people really don't think about. All right, on to the next hack.
So what you gotta do, there's a little code you have to do, okay? This is where the people do to get maintenance, to get free gas. Like the people who work here, they do this to get the free gas. So all you have to do is press 0808779 and then enter, and then click this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And look at this, guys. Look at this. And then you gotta click the selection you want. See how it's blinking now? It always works. And you can get the expensive one too. I'll get the expensive one. Look at this. Is it gonna work now? Hold on. Is it? I don't know. 1 second. It is! It is! I told you!
Okay, so you put
080
080
8779. Enter.
It's like literally.
It's telling you no, but just click it 3 times. They're blinking.
No, they're not.
They're blinking.
What's
Select your gas. Select your gas.
I know, wait. I'm scared. Why is it blinking?
Are you breaking the law? Wait. No, but it's not doing any gas.
Oh my god, what duh? It doesn't fucking work.
But it was blinking. You saw it was blinking, right?
I knew it was not gonna work, but for a second I'm like, why are they blinking?
Right?
I got so scared. I'm like, I'm gonna get arrested. No, we're gonna pay for this gas. Don't do this. Obviously it doesn't work, but I got scared for a second. So this next hack is really good if you guys have just really messed up dollars. I'm gonna show you guys how you can straighten out your moolah. And all we're gonna use is a straightener. You saw it's all wrinkled. I better not burn this. So I guess you just, oh my god! What the heck? Oh my god, that's crazy. It's actually working. What the heck? Wow, look at that. Compared to these, I don't know about you guys, but it's like, for me, kind of rude when you just give money like that. Ooh. Bam. And now you have your money straightened out nicely so you can put in your wallet and not struggle when you put it in a vending machine. I will say it does smell pretty like burnt money. It doesn't smell cute, but it worked. Yay! So the next hack is for when you have an outlet but you can't really place your phone anywhere and you don't want it like hanging. So I'm not giving you guys the best example because I cannot find an outlet here that would do that. So we're gonna completely forget that we don't have this countertop right here. And oh my god, I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. I'm scared. How the heck did you do this again? wait. How
Want me to do it? You pretty much just lay it onto this one and then this one loop around onto the actual charger.
Okay.
And you let it hang.
Okay, so this is like, so your phone won't be dangling or pulling on the charger? Man, this shit. I hate this. For this next hack, we are going to need some wipes. basically any kind of wipes that has this kind of thing on top where you could rip off, and a bag of chips, preferably bigger, like family size. So I'm going to rip off this top thing. Oh, I'm gonna need some tape, right?
No, it should seal back onto there.
Oh my god, no. The little sticky thing is stuck on here.
Stop playing.
You guys, what is going on?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it.
I literally just went to the restroom and I come back. My husband kind of took every little detail out and stuck it on here.
It's not like secure,
Obviously, if it doesn't work the first time, it's not a good hack. Well, that's the thing. I feel like it's a really good hack, but I got really unlucky, I think, with like the whole packaging in general. But my husband did it, and boom. So basically it looks like this. It obviously didn't work out for me, guys, but I'm glad he still tried it. Woo. So I'm just gonna go around with a knife. Girl. Just kind of rip it out. I'm actually shocked that you like did that. Oh, that was a really good cut too. Ooh, let's see. Oh my god, guys. Voila. It worked. Now that it's on, I mean, this is really, really smart. Okay, so this next one, you're gonna need a knife, cutting board, so you won't ruin whatever you're cutting over, an ice cream that has to be like cardboard so you can cut through it easily, and I also got some cookies. So basically what we're gonna do with this hack is make our personal ice cream sandwiches. So I feel like this is going to come in handy when you have a lot of people over. So let's see. Oh my god. Oh, what is the reason? Okay, so the first try might be a little disaster. It's okay. I'm gonna take out my 2 cookies. You can use any cookies. I actually got these because they're like soft baked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how perfect this looks. I'm shook. And be careful, guys, when doing this, please. I feel like you gotta make sure this is really frozen too. Oh my god. This hack has potential. We kind of just bought it. I don't think it's frozen enough. Girl, ain't nobody got time for this, period. So this one was a fail. You see how like the ice cream's already softening up? I think that's why it didn't work all the way. So it does work. Cheers to that. It's a really fat ass like sandwich, huh? Oh my god. Last but not least, we are going to clean our palette. This is actually one that I'm really, really excited about because I feel like a lot of my makeup palettes are dirty, and anytime I clean it, I go like around really carefully. We are going to use the lid of this moisturizer. You just need like any flat lid. I'm using a makeup wipe because I don't know, I feel like this one would work a little better. And we are just going to wrap the lid around. Once you have the makeup wipe wrapped around, you're gonna go over and clean it up. Oh my god, this is crazy. Why do I feel like I would scratch it, but it's not doing it? Oh my Lanta. This is actually the easiest one that we've done today. I mean, they're all really easy, but I feel like a lot of people have makeup wipes or just wipes in general with some kind of lid. This is just a lid from a moisturizer. Make sure it's facing the flat side. That is crazy. This actually worked. Look at that. Whoa. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know like you guys probably have seen all these freaking hacks already. I don't know if you're new to this video or haven't seen any other videos, But yeah, guys, these are some pretty good hacks. Some of them worked, some of them didn't. But you know what? That's what we were doing, trying them out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank my husband for helping me out with this video. Also, don't forget to go check out our vlog channel. I'm gonna have it linked down below. I love you guys, and until next time, y'all. Bye.